Hello, welcome to the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie. This is kind of a little video this week just because it's my birthday. Guess how old I'm gonna be? No, don't. But yeah, I kind of didn't really have time to do a proper video, but I wanted to do something, so I thought I'd do something quick and something nice. I thought I'd do a competition. Yay! I wanted to give away to someone the kind of lifetime access to Your Wild Gut Project, which is the kind of, I don't know what you call it, like website that I made, I've been working on for months, that kind of guides you through the elimination phase, the re-challenges, and then the reintroduction part of the low FODMAP diet for vegans. And there's kind of, I've separated it into bundles, and there's a bundle dedicated to food you can all prep or freeze in advance, about how you can kind of rewild your gut and do things which promote healthy gut bacteria. There's ones about how to adapt recipes confidently to make them low FODMAP. And then from the 8th of October, we're doing the reintroduction modified version guide with Jenna Howarth, who's a registered dietitian. She's FODMAP trained and she's lovely. So yeah, that will be coming, but this is like a lifetime access that I want to give away to you. To enter, come and join me on Instagram and comment on this picture, and then I'll just put you into a, like, whatever you call it, one of those randomised websites where you then just like randomly select someone, and I'll announce the winner in 1 week's time. I guess please enter by midday on the 14th. There we go, very official, clearly know what I'm doing. But if you're an autumn baby, happy birthday, I hope you're having a lovely time, but I'll be back next week with a proper video, so I'll see you then. Bye!